Hello students, welcome to the first class of botany class 11th. So what is botany? Botany is study of plants. And let us start now. Father of botany was Theophrastus. Father of botany was Theophrastus. Indian father of botany was William Roxburgh. Father of biology was Aristotle. What is zoology? Zoology is study of plant animals. Microbiology is study of microorganisms like viruses, bacteria, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also called blue-green algae. And bacteria and cyanobacteria both comes under the kingdom Monera, which are prokaryotes. Prokaryotes mean primitive nucleus. Primitive nucleus मतलब less developed nucleus. Now let us see the differentiation between bacteria and cyanobacteria. First, bacteria. They are photosynthetic, means photosynthesis occurs, but in this bacteria O2 is not liberated, which means anoxygenic. क्योंकि ये लोग water use नहीं करते हैं because they do not use H2O. That's why oxygen is not liberated. And in this cyanobacteria, photosynthesis takes place, and in this O2 is liberated, which means oxygenic. Now let us see some examples. In this example are Vibrio, which are comma shaped, and E. coli, which are present in large intestine. Let me show you the diagrams of and the Vibrio and E. coli, how they look. Now let us search for Vibrio first. This is Vibrio. Let us see images. Can you see? देख रहे हो कैसे ये सब कॉमा शेप के होते हैं. Like see these are comma shaped. Let me see more. Look at this. ये भी कॉमा शेप के बिल्कुल लग रहे हैं ना कॉमा जैसे. बहुत सारे हैं, सब कॉमा शेप के. एक see these are also comma shaped. Comma shaped. Let us go back now. Now we will be seeing E. coli. There is an option E. coli. Here comes. They are found in large intestine. See. They look beautiful. One more example of bacteria are PPLO, which is also known as pleuropneumonia-like organisms. These are also called जोकर, which ये इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इनमें सेल वॉल एब्सेंट होती है, तो ये अपने शेप बदलते रहते हैं, इसलिए इन्हें जोकर कहते हैं. और ये होते हैं स्मॉलेस्ट सेल, which are also mycoplasma. An example of cyanobacteria is spirulina, which contains maximum protein. Let us see how spirulina looks like. Let us look for spirulina. Can you see? These are spirulina. Tablets also comes because it contains maximum protein. See. Maximum protein, इसलिए these are also called future food. ये जिनको प्रोटीन की कमी होती है ना, उनके लिए होता है. और सब पाउडर टैबलेट्स सब आते हैं मार्केट में. लिखा भी है स्पाइरुलिना टैबलेट्स. See these are the tablets of spirulina. ये फ्यूचर फूड है. Many more are there. Spirulina capsules. Both bacteria and cyanobacteria comes under the kingdom Monera. Okay, both bacteria and cyanobacteria comes under the kingdom Monera. Now let us proceed further. What is morphology? Morphology is study of external structures of plants and as well as animals. What is anatomy? Anatomy is study of internal structures. It is study of external structures. This is study of internal structures. Now let us come to genetics. Genetics is study of heredity and variation. Heredity means transmission of characters. Variation is differences. Okay. Now let us see physiology. Physiology is study of processes like photosynthesis, respiration, transpiration, guttation. Transpiration is water loss by vapor and guttation is water loss by droplets. Now let us come to plant kingdom. Plant kingdom has five types. They are algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Okay. Now let us first see algae. In algae, plant body are not differentiated. Only brown algae is most developed. In this, embryo are absent. Vascular tissue is absent. Vascular tissue means xylem and phloem. And seed is also absent. Example is Spirogyra and Volvox. Let us see how Spirogyra and Volvox look like. Let us search for Spirogyra first. Spirogyra. Can you see how these look like? It's a crisscross jessa. Spirogyra. These are Spirogyras. Now let us look for Volvox. Volvox. वो ऐसे स्पायरोगैरा सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में थे, ये सर्कुलर में है. Now let us come back to this. Second one is Bryophyta. It is not differentiated और जो differentiated होते हैं उन्हें मोसेस कहते हैं. इसमें vascular tissues absent होते हैं, xylem phloem absent, embryo is absent, seed is also absent. An example are Riccia and Funaria. Let us see how Riccia and Funaria looks like. Riccia. So these are Riccia. Can you see कितने सुंदर सुंदर हैं? ऐसा लग रहा है आर्टिफिशियल प्लांट्स हैं. ऐसे होते हैं. These are Riccia. Okay. Now let us see Funaria. These are Funaria. बहुत जगह देखे होंगे. इट इज़ कॉमन. ऐसे होते हैं और ऊपर से छोटे छोटे निकले जाते हैं सीड्स. ऐसी पतली सी स्टेम. सी these are Funaria. Okay. Now Now we'll see pteridophyta. These are differentiated. Vascular tissues present होते हैं इसमें, मतलब xylem phloem present. It is absent in this also. Now let us see examples. Examples are ferns and Selaginella. ये Selaginella वो होते हैं जो संजीवनी बूटी होती है ना, इन्हें ही Selaginella कहते हैं. चल देखते हैं. First we'll see ferns. Let's come to ferns. Ferns are like these are like decorative plants. बहुत सुंदर होते हैं और हम डेकोरेशन के लिए यूज करते हैं इसे. ferns सुंदर है ना. और बहुत सारे ferns होते हैं. आप घर में भी बहुत सारे लगे होंगे. ferns. Now let us see now Flagelella, which is संजीवनी बूटी in Hindi. Flagelella. See, these are Flagelella. This is also संजीवनी बूटी. See, here is a diagram of Hanumanji with Flagelella, that is Sanjeevani booty. Can you see? Okay. So when it dries, it looks like this. These are roots of roots. And this is, ये जब सूख जाते हैं ना तब ऐसे दिखते हैं. जब अच्छे रहते तब ऐसे. Now we will come to gymnosperms. These are differentiated. Vascular tissues is present in this. Embryo is present in this. And from now seed is also present. Examples are Pinus and Thuja. Let us see Pinus and Thuja. We will see Pinus first. ये देखो ऐसे होते हैं पाइन्स. बहुत जगह देखे होंगे ये घर में एज डेकोरेटिव प्लांट्स रखे जाते हैं डेकोरेशन के लिए, लाइक आर्टिफिशियल वंस. ये होता है ड्राइड पाइन्स. होंगे ना सबके घर में. ब्यूटीफुल. We will see Thuja now. These are Thuja. Okay. Thuja. Now let's come to the last point. Angiosperms. Angiosperms. These are flowering plants. They are differentiated, vascular tissue present, embryo is present, seed is present, and examples are monocot and dicot. Okay, see, they are monocot and dicots. Here is differentiation between monocots and dicots, and here are some flowers. This is of monocot, this is of dicots. They are beautiful flowers. See how beautiful is this flower. Many more are there. Let us see some here. See how beautiful flowers. So good. Let us bring this to an end. Thank you so much. Rest we'll study in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.